finished church. And oh my gosh, look at my hair. So we're on our way home. It was my grandmother's birthday yesterday. It was her first birthday in heaven. So happy birthday, Grandma. We love you so much. We miss you up in heaven. And so we're celebrating that today. So we're gonna blow out 2 cakes for her because we bought 2 cakes. And I just wanted to really appreciate my look right now because I'm like really feeling myself, but Siaosi never wants to tell me that I look pretty. Is that right?
Always pretty.
Don't even lie. Don't even lie, boy. Don't lie. He's so lovely to my
Who? When? You shut up. When?
So I don't know what we're gonna take for Kulai over there.
Yeah. Look so good today.
Okay, Siosi's obviously feeling himself a bit much today too.
Yeah, you're feeling yourself and I'm feeling myself. You never tell me. Never tell me.
Maloshi. Babe, I tell you all the time. Yeah, so I've been still really ill the past week. With, you know, I've had like stomach issues and diarrhea. And which is like caused me not to eat as much. Like last night I didn't have any dinner, I didn't have breakfast. I haven't been eating that much the past couple of days, which probably isn't a bad idea for me. What is up, SV squad? Welcome back to another vlog with Siaosi and Victoria. Firstly, I just want to apologize for not vlogging lately. We've been really busy at work and we've been having like other work after work. So we've been super busy, but we are here at Star Buffet for my little cousin Sia's 18th birthday.
What's up, guys? Back to another video with the birthday girl.
So they're running late. It was meant to start at 6. It's now 7 and the birthday girl is not even here. And I'm really hungry. Babe, should I eat? What am I gonna eat?
Salad, you eat salad, girl. You must eat salad. There's many salad there.
I paid almost $30 to eat a plate of salad. Are you joking me? That is not right. Everyone's making their way in. We got the whole crew with us, the whole squad. Gang. Aussie's being a bully to me. All I'm thinking about is the ribs.
Hi.
And how old are you?
5.
No, you're not. You're 6. Oh, okay. What are you drinking? What are you drinking? Oh, okay. Hi, Mommy. Look at that birthday girl. She's got like $1 million around her neck. That's the dress that Aww, that's so beautiful.
Birthday.
Hi.
Oh, very well.
Happy birthday! I think just for you, Sia, I'm gonna have a cheat day. Yes! High five!
What's up, guys? You don't
Siaosi said he can't see because of the shininess of her bling.
You see my burn mark?
Oh girl, that's what you get for wearing a spaghetti top.
Yeah, it's spaghetti.
Look at Kua's tan, everyone. And look at Willie's hair, everyone. And look at that ugly.
Look at spicy girl.
Spicy ring.
Spicy pop.
Oh, Philippa, how old are you? Philippa? Tony, he's sitting next to his friend.
Like the place. Spicy mafia.
Can you stop? We got little baby Eddie here. He's already eating. V, I'm a cheat. I'm a cheat.
She's having a cheat day.
Cheat.
That's good.
I shouldn't do it. I shouldn't do it. Siaosi's so mad at me. He doesn't want me to.
Eat salad. Like in the salad, people. Oh, happy birthday to everyone.
Oh, what the heck? I just came with my camera. Never mind then, I'll go and sit back down. Guys, I broke it. She broke it. Look at what I'm eating. It's her fault, and her fault.
Self-control.
Excuse me?
Self-discipline.
Don't worry, we're starting on, you guys are starting on Monday.
You guys.
These two, because I know you can't do it, girl.
I can do
I know you don't have the willpower, girl. What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Molly. And you ain't seen me in a minute, so...
Wait, let me do your intro.
Fine.
Hey guys, what's up guys?
This arm though. This arm though.
What up?
Oh my gosh, I'm so funny. What's up?
What's up YouTube?
YouTube. Look. Oh, you're on Facebook Live. You're on Facebook Live. No, Facebook Live from your mom. So unfortunately I did break myself.
Sorry sis. She ate a lot.
No, I didn't. I only had one plate and there was only fries, a little handful, my hand because it's a big hand, a little handful of fries and some American ribs. And that was it. I stopped at that. I'm not having dessert. What did you do? Were you having fun? Really? So guys, the lesson for today is take care of your eyes because I can't actually see in these. Molly is a blind bat. My eyes look so zipper.
Yeah, they do. You look different when you wear the glasses.
I look cool, eh? What is that?
Yeah, you still look good like that.
Oh, thank you, Manita. Thank you, Fanarita.
Oh, do you want to see the jelly stand, eh?
Okay.
This is how they look like. But if you haven't been here,
So what do you do with that jelly?
you just eat them.
Okay, so show us how you eat it.
Okay.
What a dry balls. Oh, wow.
I paid for this, I know. What a good sister. Thank you.
How much was it?
Hey,
Girl, that don't matter right
you
now.
did not.
You know the size of the gate right
You
now.
didn't pay for it. It's like Molly.
Thanks, awesome.
Molly paid it.
You see, but I mean my money back because I didn't even pay for this.
Oh, there goes your blessing.
Things I gotta do for this.
Make a wish.
Okay, now speech.
Over.
Why did you cut the eye?
Put on your sis.
Thanks for the cake.
No need. That's my $30 back in my account, please.
My economy.
No one's gonna want to eat it.
Does that say fam?
That says love fam.
Oh, I love you.
Oh my gosh, guys, so we just came to buy some junk food for these little fatties.
Which one?
Which one? Go do it.
Mommy. Which fatty?
That's so funny. Alright, so everyone has a $5 expenditure. Go off, little children.
$6? Yes, I will go find my chocolate. Yeah, don't push it, sis.
Don't push it, sis. $5.
7.
We're both wearing ears. Better angle. Ears.
Vai vai ai pea. Chia ba ai pea. Ia ai. Pea ai pea.
Sophia, my foot to my eye, look belly.
Ai pea. Ea. Iba ai pea. Ia ai pea pea ai pea. Ea. Como ai pea que mole ai oi.
Eu pensei na praia, mas não na on. It is currently 7 minutes past 11. We're going up Mount Ainsley, but we gotta go fill up the car first. Are you guys gonna dance? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see. The struggle.
What did I mean? Word.
Hello, Siaosi.
It's a little Joey.
It's a little kangaroo.
Wow. Chạy ra chưng
Long drink.
chưng chi chi số.
Can you shine the light?
Show the light. With a flash or not?
Really, Ossie? That is so kaya. We look like men's.
Do we?
We look like men's.
I like.
No, Ossie, put it down, under.
Ik ken niet door haar fight. Ik zou moeten zeggen, Aula, ik ken niet door van mij.
Lo ke fongi pa ula lo ka pa e po aro mo e wi.
No, it's hard.
You look like a kaipish.
Yeah, we can screenshot it.
Excuse me, it's for the gram. Come on now.
Okay, I got you. Everyone come in. It's so beautiful. I can't he was breathing.
I feel like
Oh my gosh, 30 more minutes till Sia's 18. Oh what a busty. Well, I guess it's only right we work off what we ate today. These damn stairs. Yay! Happy birthday, Sia! Birthday!
thank
Happy
you.
birthday, Sia! Or should I say happy Whaiwhiao day?
Thank you. You know me, always be looking like a snack, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, so about you.
You know what I'm saying, people?
Okay then.